Hello guys, we're here at Lake Recording and we're here for fishing and for fun. So we have the fishing rod over here and here we have pot people getting food in there. And water. And we're using live worm gag bait for fishing. Taking live worm. There's dirt in here and we can find the worm. What? Taking our brother's fishing rod. We have a long fishing rod over here. We have a spot. We're gonna see if we can catch any fish.
I catch 6 fish in there.
It up. Kiki, pull it up. You got it, man. You got it. Pull it. Don't be scared. The bobber was moving. Oh, you got a fish, man. Oh, look. There is a bite. Look. There is a bite. Slowly. Wait, slowly. Yeah, you got one. Yo, yeah. Pull it up. Oh, there was a snake down there. It tried to eat your fish. Look. There is a bite. Roll it up. Elephant, roll it up. It's moving now. Roll it up. Oh, yeah. Good catch, Ali Afnan.
Got the catfish!
Whoa. So we are here in the lake Ekoting. It's a beautiful lake. So we are gonna do the fishing. We have the thing set up ready. We are gonna show you how we have set up our rods, and as my son said, we are going to use the live worms. Okay, you can see the stream falling behind me, so that is a nice place where we can do the fishing. So you can see here is the stream. We are on a bridge, so there is a water flowing in there. So we are gonna try and put the bait in there. So we're gonna set up the first rod we bought today. So this is for the beginners. So this is a small rod. We have set up hook, number 6 hook. We're gonna put a live worm in it, and let's see if my son can catch some of the fishes. Because of the weather, I think it's not. It's very hot today here. It's 90 Fahrenheit and 32 Celsius. So we have set this up. That is for my son with a small. So this rod is set up with a worm on it and a small weight, which is a split short weight. So this line is a 10-pound test line. So that is the new rod, and we're going to give it to Ali Afnan. This is Ibrahim's rod. We're gonna put again the live worm on it.
Dicking my rod.
Put the live worm on it.
And the food officer is here.
We got these worms. We bought these worms from the big stores. Normally, some of the parks they have where the fishing facility is available. They have some of these worms available and the live bait. You can also check.
The guy, I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it right down there. Hey guys, I was digging your first fish. I caught it.
And me too.
And he got other fish. It's in the bucket.
Yeah. And also
So we're gonna try more.
Oh, a snake.
Oh, snake! Come here. See the snake? It's going over there. This is a water snake. Okay. Now put it up, Elephant. Put it up. Kiki, put it up. You got it, man. You got it. Don't be scared. Hey, pull it up. Come on. Roll it up. Roll it up. You got it, man. Arifan, are you feeling any bite? Check. Put it up. The bobber was moving. Oh, you got a fish, man. Roll it up. Roll it up. Hey, good catch, man. Good catch. Keep looking at the bobber, okay? Wait a second. Wait a second. They got the bite. Look, there is a bite. There is a bite. Wait. It was blinking. It was taking a dip. Look, there is a bite. Just hold it up, try. See? Slowly. Wait, slowly. Yeah, you got one. Yo, yeah. Pull it up. Oh, there was a snake down there. It tried to eat your fish. Look. Oh, there's a big snake down there, man. Trying to eat your fish. Good catch, Ali Afnan. Arifan, where is your bobber? There is a bite. Roll it up, Arifan, roll it up. It's moving now. Roll it up. Oh yeah! You are getting in every cost. Pull it up, okay? Just wait. Ibrahim, so are you getting a bite?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Alif Nan one and Ibrahim, they both got one. Okay, same time. Put it up, guys. Ibrahim.
Baby one, and I caught a medium size one.
So what's the situation, Ali Afnan? Hearing the bite? Where is the bobber? Oh, your bobber is gone, Alifan. Pull it up. Slowly. You got it. Hey, show me. Which? You got a 6th month or 7th month?
No, this is my 12th one.
You got it.
Whoa. Got a fish. And Alifan, how about you?
I got one.
You got one? Okay, very cool.
I got it, yeah.
So Alifan, are you enjoying? Look here. Wait. Oh, there is a bite. I think so.
And go deeper.
Is it moving? Bobber is moving?
It is.
There is a bite.
I pick it up.
Okay, so you got it.
I made it back.
Arifan.
Hey guys, we got the catfish. It's a beautiful one.
Okay, so what I did is I put a Slim Jim on a hook. So I got it in I think 3 or 4 attempts. So this is I think our 6th or 7th catfish in this week. We earlier had a really good one. So this is still a baby one, but
It's okay.
it's a black bullhead.
This is
So we got the one here. We're gonna put that back into the lake.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Six fishes.
Gotcha. How many? That's what
4. There are 4 in the.
Wait,
We did already 7.
And then 8 or 10.
11.
Oh, 11. And then this is going to close it and put in.
15. 3 more.
That's 2 more. I told you.
2 more. So these are 11. We already did 12, 13. These 2 are 13. And 1 catfish. Yeah. 14. We got 14 today.
That's so much.
That's the 15.
Oh, there is also one. 16.
Last.
Hey guys, it was like really fun. We did lots of fishing, and subscribe to our channel and click the like button. Bye.
So bye guys. This is the end of the video, and also keep watching videos so you can also see the fishing videos and the crab and electric channel. And bye.
Bye.